Tired of long lines and complicated procedures just to pay your BPI credit card bill? Well, say goodbye to those headaches because in this video, I'll show you how to pay your BPI credit card using GCash in a few easy steps, making bill payments a breeze. Let's get started. First, open your GCash app and make sure you're logged and ensure you have sufficient balance in your GCash wallet to cover your BPI credit card bill. On the GCash dashboard, tap on the bill's icon. It usually looks like a bill with a small graph. Now, you'll be taken to the bill's payment screen. Use the search bar at the top and type in BPI credit card. Select BPI credit card from the search results. Make sure it's the correct option to avoid any payment errors. You'll now see the payment form here. You need to enter the required information first. Input your 16-digit BPI credit card number in the account number field. Double-check to ensure accuracy. Next, enter the exact amount you'd like to pay. In the amount field, I recommend paying at least the minimum amount due or, better yet, the full outstanding balance. Then, provide your email address. GCash will send your payment confirmation to this address. Once you've filled in all the details, tap the next button to proceed. Review all the information on the confirmation screen carefully, ensuring the account number, amount, and all other details are correct. If everything looks good, tap the confirm button to finalize your BPI credit card payment. And that's it. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment was successful. You'll also receive an SMS and email confirmation from GCash. You can always check the status of your transaction in your GCash transaction history. It's that easy. Paying your BPI credit card bill with GCash is a convenient and secure way to stay on top of your finances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.